Welcome to this Python tutorial. Today, we are going to master one of the most fundamental data types in programming, Python strings. We will cover how to create them, how to access individual characters using indexing, and how to extract parts of text using slicing. This is essential knowledge for any beginner starting their coding journey in 2026. First, let's define what a string actually is. In Python, a string is simply a sequence of characters used to represent text. Think of it as a chain of individual letters, numbers, or symbols ordered one after another. Crucially, strings in Python are immutable, meaning once you create one, you cannot change its content directly. Creating strings is straightforward. You can use single quotes, which are great for short words, or double quotes, which work exactly the same way. Python treats them identically. However, if you need to write a long block of text that spans multiple lines, or if you are writing documentation, you should use triple quotes. Sometimes you need to include special characters inside your string that would otherwise confuse the code, like a quote mark inside a quote. This is where escape characters come in. By using a backslash, you can insert special instructions. For example, \n inserts a new line, and \t adds a tab space. Now let's talk about indexing. Every character in a string has a specific position, called an index. In Python, counting always starts at 0, not 1. So, if we have the word Python, the first letter P is at index 0, and the second letter Y is at index 1. You access these by writing the index number inside square brackets. Python also has a cool feature called negative indexing. This allows you to count backwards from the end of the string. The last character always has an index of -1, the second to last is -2, and so on. This is incredibly useful when you want to grab the last letter of a string but don't know how long it is. Moving on to slicing. Slicing allows you to extract a substring or a chunk of text from the original string. The syntax is start:\stop. It is very important to remember that the start index is included, but the stop index is excluded. So if you slice from 0 to 3, you get characters 0, 1, and 2, but not 3. You can take slicing a step further by adding a third number, the step value. This tells Python how many characters to skip. For example, a step of 2 grabs every second character. A common trick is to use a step of -1, which reads the string backwards, effectively reversing it instantly. There are two basic mathematical operators that work on strings. The plus sign is used for concatenation, which simply joins two strings together into one. The asterisk is used for repetition. If you multiply a string by 3, Python will repeat that string 3 times in a row. Let's recap what we learned. Strings are immutable sequences of text created with quotes. We access characters using zero-based indexing or negative indexing from the end. We can extract substrings using slicing and even modify the step count to skip or reverse characters. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.